Good morning children. Today you are going to learn the topic in chemistry, matter around us. We are going to find the answer for what is matter, what is an atom, what is a molecule, what is an element, what is a compound. We are going to find the answer today. What did you understand from this picture? Air we breathe, the food we eat, clouds, stones, plants, animals, a drop of water and a grain of sand. Everything we can say that matter. They have mass and they occupy space. Matter can be defined as anything which has definite mass and occupies space. What is matter, children? Matter can be defined as anything which has definite mass and occupies space. On the basis of their physical state, matter can be classified into solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. What is the fourth state of matter? Plasma state. What is the fourth state of matter? Plasma state. Matter in any physical state is composed of smaller particles. What are they smaller particles? Such as atoms, molecules or ions. Such as atoms, molecules or ions. What is an atom? An atom is the smallest particle of an element. An atom is the smallest particle of an element. Next, what is a molecule? Atoms of the same element or different elements combine to form a molecule. Hence, atoms and molecules are the building blocks of matter. Elements are everywhere. They are the building blocks of everything on earth. For example, the air we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. In the universe as a whole, the most common element is hydrogen followed by helium. Almost 99% of the human body mass consists of 6 main elements. Namely oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium and phosphorus. 65 to 90% of each cell in the body is composed of water. As such, oxygen and hydrogen are among the main constituents of the human body. Now, 118 elements have been discovered. Many elements occur naturally on earth. However, some are created in laboratory by scientists. How to write the element symbols already you learned in previous class. Some symbols of elements you learned: Greek symbol, alchemist symbol, Dalton symbol, Berzelius symbol, present system. Now, how to write the elements name and symbol? Some example. The symbols of the most common elements, mainly non-metals, use the first letter of the English name. H for hydrogen, C for carbon, F for fluorine, O for oxygen, N for nitrogen, I for iodine. If two elements have same first letter, then the first letter and second letter of the name are used as symbol. The first letter is in uppercase and the second letter is in lower case. For example, lithium, Li, aluminium, Al, helium, He. Some symbols are used on the basis of the Greek name or Latin name of the elements. For example, lead, it is derived from Latin name plumbum, Pb. Gold, it is derived from aurum, Au. Silver, It is derived from Latin name, Greek or Latin name argentum. You understand clearly what is an atom, what is a molecule, what is an element. Now compound. What is a compound? A compound made up of when two or more different types of atoms are chemically bonded together. Some examples: a water molecule, we can say that compound also. Why we can say that compound? Two hydrogen atom and combined with one oxygen atom. So it is chemically bonded together. So we can say that compound. Water is a compound. And next, nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide. One nitrogen atom, two oxygen atom and combine and form nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide is a molecule as well as a compound. Next, an oxygen. Two oxygen atom combine and form oxygen molecule, but it is not a compound. Two or more different types of atom only combine and form a compound. And next example, carbon dioxide. One carbon atom, two oxygen atom combine and form a compound. So compound means two or more different types of atoms are chemically bonded. We can say that compound. Now you understand the difference between molecule and compound. Some examples of compound, chemical name, and what are the elements present and uses we are going to learn. The first example, water. What is the chemical name of water? Dihydrogen monoxide. So what are the elements present in water? Hydrogen and oxygen. It is used for drinking and as solvent and fire extinguisher also. And next, sugar. Sugar is a compound. The chemical name of sugar is sucrose. The name of the elements present in the sugar: carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It is used for preparation of sweets, toffees and fruit juices. And next example, table salt. The chemical name of table salt is sodium chloride. Sodium and chlorine elements are present. It is used for in our life essential component of our daily diet, preservative for meat and fish. So today you learnt the topic: what is an atom, what is a molecule, what is an element, what is a compound. In this year we are going to learn the topic mixture, types of mixture, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. You are going to learn next class, children. Thank you, children.